Meaning of granola.
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 Granola. Granola is a breakfast food that typically consists of rolled oats, nuts, seeds, and dried fruit. It is often mixed with honey or other sweeteners to create a crunchy and flavorful snack. The word granola can also be used more broadly to refer to an overall healthy and environmentally conscious lifestyle, as granola is often associated with natural foods and sustainable living. Overall, granola is a popular and nutritious food that has become a staple in many people's diets thanks to its delicious taste and health benefits.